Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for April 29th through May 5th in my Artake Weekly Tasks Planner using the kit by SammyLynnPlanning. If you are new here, then hello, welcome. Once again, my name is Megan, and I craft with all different kinds of art media, from planners to art prompt journal books to crafts and just various kinds of videos. So if you're interested in seeing what I post, you can check out the description box below. There are various playlists related to each category of planning and crafting for you to browse. Also in the description box is going to be my link to SammyLynnPlanning's website and all of her information. I am on a PR for SammyLynnPlanning, so if you use my code Megan15, it will save you 15% off of your order, plus you will get my freebie. This is what it looks like for April 29th and 30th, but I will be posting my new freebie on Instagram, so if you guys want to see that, you can check that out. I have these two kits, so oh my gosh, I completely forgot what this kit is called. Hold on, let me check. This is the Blue Florals journaling kit, and you can get this on her website. Her journaling kits are higher in price because they're like a kit, and they're not specifically just like, you know, it's a journaling kit, so that's why. And then we have the Blue Peonies deco, and you get both of them. Again, these are beautiful. I love these, and I thought this would be a good introduction into the month of May. I also have this washi that I thought goes pretty well with the journaling kit. It's just this like stripey washi, and hopefully we won't have to white anything out in the spread because it's already blue. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump into the week. So if you saw last week's video, then you may already be aware that it was part of our YouTube collab loop group, and it was for the theme April showers, and I absolutely loved everybody's videos on that April showers theme. So if you haven't seen my last week's video, definitely check it out. It is, I don't know if it's one of my favorites, but it's very close to one of my favorite videos. Videos, yes, but I meant to say spreads in this planner because it's just so pretty. So I am grabbing the corner like kit pieces here, and I am just going to line the edges of that. Not really going for a specific like theme or layout for this. I'm just throwing them on here, and then we will figure out the rest later. How have you guys been liking the month? How has your journey been through April been for you? I think April has been a combination of stress but good things for me, because I am filming this a little bit ahead of time, specifically because I got my MRI results back, and I have a tear in my rotator cuff, so I have to be very careful with crafting and all of that stuff. So I'm filming, I'm doing batch filming all this week so that I can have these videos ready for you guys. So if I'm not talking about like current events in some of my videos, that is why. So just a little heads up for you. Because I want to be able to give my shoulder a chance to rest, because I'm not supposed to use my left arm at all because that's where the injury is. So I'm just resting it up, you know, just doing what I'm supposed to. So that's why I'm just resting it so that I can heal. But other than that, I think April has been it's not that it has been a bad month. It's just been a stressful month because of the shoulder situation. So that is my dilemma for the month. I hope everybody else has been having a good month. I had to move that because it was like right on top of this other piece, and I did not like that. But yeah, how has your month been? How have you guys been? I know everybody went to Go Wild, and I feel so bad because everybody got sick from what I could see on some of the videos, and some of the girls that are in some of the PR teams that I'm in that went to Go Wild. They got sick, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I feel so bad for you. I'm so sorry. I hate that people had to get, that they got sick. So I hope you guys are okay. But, besides the fact that, that happened, how did everybody like Go Wild? Did you get a lot of swag? Did you do a lot of fun things? I want to know. I'm nosy. You guys know this. You know that I'm nosy, and that I want to hear about your adventures and your trip. That's not going to go there. How about we do this one, because it will match a little bit better. I'm over here saying I'm not going to white it out, and then I'm doing exactly what I said I wasn't going to do. I mean, I guess I'm not whiting it out, I'm just covering it up, but still kind of works. It works enough, right? It passes my specific qualifications. You can kind of see it poking out a little bit on there, so there we go. That's much better. Okay. I probably should do some sort of like something on this side too, right? That would probably be a good idea. So yes, that is how things have been going for me. I hope you guys have had a good month. How has your weather been? I need to find more things to ask you guys other than the weather, because I feel like I ask that all the time, and you probably are so bored of hearing me ask how the weather is. I'm just curious. I like to know, I like to hear how things have been and what you've been up to. I think I'm going to move. Well, maybe not. But you know what we will do? We'll put this here, right? And then I'm going to have to white this out. Oh, since it is May, are you guys still in school? Like, if you are, a student or a teacher, are you still in school, or are you done with school? Is school almost over for this season? Like, are you excited? I'm sure you are. My mom is counting down the days. She is very excited to be on break. Oh, and this month, at the end of this month, my sister and dad are going to Maine for like a hiking adventure. They're going to have some hiking fun. I am not a hiker, so that sounds terrible to me, but sounds fun to them, so that's what they're going to do. My mom and I are going to hang out. I've obviously got to, work, so we're going to hang out in the afternoons and craft together on my days off. It's going to be very fun, and I'm sure that Allison and my dad are going to have fun too. I know that my dad is looking very forward to it, so I'm excited for him. I'm excited for him to do something fun. Okay, let's add the peonies because we need a little something here. This is the wrong sticker for that spread. Here we go. Let's try these. Ooh, that's not bad. We'll cover that up there. Oh, I know what we'll do. Cut this one in half. I might only use one of these pages, but we will have to see what it looks like when I am finish adding all the decorations, I think we're going to put this one down here. I usually go with blue in June because I feel like that is just a color for the month, but I think that this is a good color as well for May. So, what do you guys think? Do you like blue in the... Do you have like a specific month that you like to use blue, or are you just like, I don't care, I really don't, which I feel that. I understand. Okay, this is turning out a lot cuter than I thought it would. Not that I didn't think it was going to be cute, but my brain sometimes just does not like to make decisions on where to put things and how to lay things down, so I thought it was going to turn out weirder than it is, so I'm excited. I like this. I'm just having a hard time putting words together today for some reason. You guys know that. I feel like I'm very, very, very chatty in my Artake videos, or I'm very quiet in them. There's no in between. It's usually one or the other. Sometimes I'm so quiet that I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna do a voiceover, or I'm gonna put music on it because no one wants to hear my indecisive thoughts and me trying to figure out where to put things and what to do. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna put this one, it kind of looks like a frame, and I really like that. So we're gonna put this one here to kind of balance out this side. Okay. I do feel like I need something here or here. Maybe we'll put one of these flower vases because I don't have too many of those. Should I put it here? That's too close to the other one. So we'll put it on this side. Kind of covers up the bullets, but I can make my own bullets. That's not a big deal. Let's double check because I feel like this is good. I just need to add the days of the week, which I don't know if I have any from SammyLynnPlanning that I can use. Oh, you know what though? I do have some from Sweet Nana Shop that are like scripty. So I think we're going to use these because then it doesn't take away from the rest of the spread. And it kind of matches the script that SammyLynnPlanning has on her on her weeks, because sometimes I use the weeks scripts because I don't use them in my weeks planner. So yeah, this was a good idea. I'm glad I chose to use this one. Look at that. That's awesome. Oh, good job, Megan. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, and I don't think I have numbers from SammyLynnPlanning. Y'all know I like to use the same kind of numbers from each shop. So we're going to use the ones from Sweet Nana Shop instead. Okay, I'm going to use these because they're almost done anyway. 29, 30. I probably should have thought ahead of this, but it's fine. 1, 2, 3. I do need a 5. I can fix this. I have an idea. All right, y'all. With the power of whiteout, I fixed it. Maybe. It's kind of like off center, but that is okay because I can just do that. 4 isn't really off center, but 5 was. So, but we're still gonna, oh no. I guess I won't need that washi that I pulled out. I thought I would, but I guess not. All right, there we go, you guys. I fixed it. I'm cool like that. Not really. Oh, that embarrassed me. I'm sorry, you guys. I just don't know how to speak, apparently. All right, y'all, before I embarrass myself any further, we're just going to go ahead and end the video here because I'm pretty sure that this is how I like the spread. I think it's very cute and I love the colors. I think that this is going to be very fun for me to use this week. That is it for this week in my Artake planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos, and don't forget to check out the description box below for all of the different playlists that I share on my channel, as well as the information for SammyLynnPlanning. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.